one reason why I would look at this house in particular is to give folks an idea of a moderate rehab based on what I saw in the pictures. Also, affordable housing in this general area. So a lot of times folks think, it's tough to buy a house or you need a ton of money. This house would be probably 30% less to buy than it would cost to rent this exact same house.
Wow, okay.
So definitely an affordable property. Interesting though. Second I walk in, I see this. This is mine though. Very easy fix. One of the planks on the floor is broken. That's pretty easy. It probably broke because when we cut the floor to put these vents in, maybe I kind of, compromised the structure of the floor. But this house used to have radiators, I can tell. All the houses in the neighborhood used to.
How can you tell?
I didn't know. I know all from house.
All right.
And also you see the indentation in the floor here from the pipes come out of the floor.
Ah, okay.
But it's a nice house from what we see so far.
I agree.
Original items. So you have a living room, dining room, kitchen. You can see the original molding. They painted over. It's nice. Nice cabinets. So this is an affordable house to buy. Very affordable.
When you say affordable,
$80,000.
okay, so someone for job, how much they have to make to live here, roughly?
This, and depending on their debt, because it all factors in debt income ratio and all that kind of stuff, but you can make as low as $11 an hour, $12 an hour, and live here.
There you go, folks.
So we're talking a pitch over minimum wage, and you can potentially buy this house.
You do not have to be rich to be a homeowner.
And based on a lot of other houses we've seen in the neighborhood, it's pretty typical. Backyard, central air conditioning.
Backyard, all right. I'm really impressed with the simplicity of this kitchen.
Very simple. Nice. It's a nice size kitchen too. White appliances, stove, microwave. They did a couple nice things. They have recessed lights still, which is nice.
I think it's a great first-time home.
It's an excellent first time home.
Yeah.
We've seen it so far.
So far, so good.
Check
Let's
out
not
the
speak too soon, right? I see what's down here.
Unfinished basement, which is fine. All right. So the ceiling is okay height. I mean, I'm 6'4" and I can stand up down here. It has a sump pump. Wash and dryer already included. Dehumidifier, which questions a little bit. I mean, dehumidifiers are normally a sign of moisture, but they could have put it in as a, just in case type thing. It's not running, it's just sitting there.
Yeah, 2 sump pumps too, yeah.
2 sump, yeah. I mean, based on the length of the house, they have 2.
Okay.
Sometimes when the houses are this long, one sump pump can't handle all the water that it's gonna get.
Yeah, I think Sean made a really good point. Whenever you see that dehumidifier in the basement, you gotta always ask yourself, okay, is there moisture down here?
Well, so far, I mean, it looks pretty straightforward.
Yeah.
Heat system looks new, it's running. House feels nice and cool.
Yep.
Electricity from a quick glance looks like it's been updated. The panel box has been updated.
Like you said, relatively new. Water heater, furnace, sump pump. Yeah, looks like there's new wires coming in.
They didn't put, well, whoever did it, not that it makes a difference. They didn't put a drip pan under the furnace, under the water heater, but
They got the expansion tank though.
expansion, which is good.
Yeah.
So far, really straightforward. Very straightforward. Very clean.
Very simple. Will make for a very good rental.
Very good rental, or excellent for a first-time home buyer. I mean, we're talking, depending on your interest rate, we're talking high 6s, maybe $650 a month.
Imagine that.
Principal interest, so all in. Your payment to live in this house, we're talking roughly $650 a month. So you got the original banisters. So far, so good.
Man, it's not the best neighborhood, but it's not a war zone either.
Exactly. You kind of get what you pay for.
Yeah.
Carbon monoxide detector is good.
Yeah, carbon
Monoxide in this area. New windows. Original doors.
Yep, new windows. Some basic light fixtures.
Basic light fixtures, yeah. Very straightforward.
Wouldn't be my first choice, but not bad.
Very plain. Black and white tile on the floor. White towel on the wall.
Yeah.
Very clean, very straightforward.
Very plain bathroom.
Plenty of outlets in there, which is good.
Yeah.
Closet.
Sean mentioned the closet right here.
Plenty of light. I mean, overall, it's a nice house. I mean, I like to say more about it, but it's just a nice, regular, everyday house. It's move-in ready, fresh coat of paint. I mean, the floors are nice. Everything is ready to go.
Just a solid house, right?
Yeah, I mean, I don't think there's really anything you got to do. Just move right in.
Yeah.
Nice house.
Seems like they hit on everything that was needed, all the basics.
Yep. They kept a lot of the old charms. They kept the windows over top of the doors.
The historic charm. Yeah.
Nice. What do you think, Kai?
I like it.
Anything that you would do differently for this particular house? I mean, I know we're not coming and redoing this
Honestly,
entire house, but
I don't know if there's much I would do. And the reason why is I feel like they targeted this as a first-time home buyer.
Yeah.
They wanted to keep it affordable,
yeah.
you know, so they didn't really go over and above with the fixtures or anything. But everything's pretty solid.
Alarm system's already here, cable ready.
Yeah.
I mean, this house, except for that, which is very, very minor,
Yeah.
they can reinforce that piece of floor, probably cost $6 in material in about 10 minutes of your time. This is a nice house.
Yeah.
So, I mean, to move in, it's missing a couple of blinds, so you need blinds to all the windows, you know, more of the windows or curtains. Other than that, this house is ready to go. I don't see anything that's needed.
Solid house.
Ready to go.
Solid and affordable.
Yep.
It's gonna make someone a great home.
I think so.
Yep.
Cool.
I guess we're done here.
Yep, down here.
On to the next one.
Scroll the street.
Yeah, let's see the street. Now, how about right here, this ceiling? What's your thoughts about that?
It's fine. As is, I mean, every other house in the street has the same ceiling.
Looks like they're all in
The
pretty
wings
good condition.
cooling that they stained.
Yeah.
It's good. Bricks look good outside. Have outlets out here, which lets me know they pull permits me upgrade the electricity because that's a requirement now.
Oh,
They have
okay.
outlets out front. The numbers, the mailbox, I mean, straightforward.
I like it. All right, so this is how we're really done here.
Yeah, we're done.
On to the next one.